back to my dimension. I hope you guys had a blessed day. If you didn't, I'm sending you positive energy your way. Let's do this again. Hello guys, welcome back to my dimension. I hope you guys had a blessed day. If you didn't, I'm sending you positive loving energy your way. You know what it is. So this is going to be another mini vlog or whatnot, another cooking vlog, because yeah, I just finished working out. Yeah, when I said I'm trying to gain just muscle, I'm gonna try to be consistent. All right, so welcome to my channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah, and you know what it is. You see these? Oh my gosh, I feel so sore. But let me tell you guys, I easily gain muscle. Let me tell you, I easily gain muscle. Does that make sense? I easily lose weight and I easily gain muscle. But if I eat and eat, I gain weight as well. But it's also hard for me to lose weight. It doesn't make sense, right? So if I eat a lot of fats and I'm eating and eating and I don't move around, I gain muscle. I gain fat. Easily I gain weight. But let's say I'm eating and eating and I'm active, then I lose it or I maintain it. And let's say if I'm watching what I eat, mostly protein, I easily gain muscle. I think it makes sense. It's the metabolic cycle, so it does make sense. So anyways, enough of that. If I confused you, I confused you. I'm not trying to. So I did a little workout this morning. I worked out for an hour and a half. I did some lifts. I did some squats. Bruh, look at this. I'm telling you, my arms was not like this. I'm telling you, I easily gain muscle. Look at this. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. Oh. Okay, anyways, let's get into this video. I just set up my computer. I just got something to set to work on or whatever it is. Guys, I'm a little nervous because I just worked out and I'm kind of out of breath. And I literally, as soon as I worked out, I just turned on the camera. Anyways, I just set up this new computer that I got. It's a Mac. Don't mind this, I accidentally did this. My Mac computer right there. Okay, anyways, don't forget, this might sound incoherent, but I don't care. I'm out of breath. Don't forget to eat, sleep, drink some tea or coffee, and repeat. That's the motto. Eat, sleep, drink some tea, and repeat. That's how we finna do it. Let's get into this video. So like, I'm currently wearing a waist trainer to snatch myself up. So yeah, we snatching it up. Yeah, so I'm about to go downstairs and I'm gonna vlog what we finna eat to build these muscles, okay? I told myself I'm gonna try to work out at least 3 times a week to gain muscle. So let's try it. So for today's menu, we're gonna be cooking to gain muscle. It's gonna be protein based. This is gonna be lo mein. So this is gonna be chicken lo mein. The chicken that we're gonna be using is grilled chicken. This is the sweet teriyaki Tyson grilled chicken. So y'all get some of this. It tastes really good. This is sweet teriyaki. We're gonna be using regular spaghetti. This is the great value from Walmart. You can grab a pack of this. This is the 4-pound. And we already have the spaghetti boiling ahead of time. So the spaghetti is gonna boil. And you're gonna chop about 4 or 5 onions, just like so. Big slices. So we had already started cooking. So already baking is literally just sweet potatoes and Korean yams. So this is just seasoned big chopped, and you just pop it in the oven just like this, and you let it bake. Add it to the menu. Of course, we're trying to gain some muscle protein, and I'm not the only one eating, so there's other people around here trying to gain muscle protein as well. So we have here seasoned steak. Okay, seasoned steak. It was marinated this morning. And we have here seasoned salmon, also marinated this morning. So you let that sit in the fridge for a couple hours, and this is going to be popped. Wait, is it gonna be? This is going to be grilled, seared, pan seared, and y'all finna witness it. Okay. So after the spaghetti has been boiled, you want to run it under cold water, just like so it doesn't get sticky and overcooked. You don't want spaghetti that tastes all soggy, so that's why you want to run it under cold water right after you get it out of the oven. So you just want to add a little bit of oil to the pot, and you're just gonna basically saute this sweet teriyaki chicken, and that's it. I'm gonna cut up some green onions as well. So we're gonna mix this. Oh, I can't do it with one hand. Hold on. On the sweet potato and the Korean yams. So the orange, that's the sweet potato. The lighter colored one is the Korean yams. So yeah. The pan sear the salmon first, and then the steak. So you're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pot and let that heat up. Let this sear for about 4 minutes, and then you're gonna turn it. You're gonna pour out the chicken and use still the chicken juice, and you're gonna pour the onions in there, just like so. And the salmon has been flipped. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Y'all, this thing actually be working. It be working. Guys, when I told you, it hasn't been that many days since I've been working out. But I'm telling you, when I tell you, even if I don't eat and I work out, you know how easy I gain muscle? And I don't know why. It's my body composition. It's just me. It's just me, man. Oh, this is the hand of Fatima. You guys want to see what it looked like? This is what it looked like. Oh, I guess the camera, whatever, ain't doing it justice. But look at me. I always had muscles in my arms, but like I told you, the reason I never really worked them out because I didn't want to have overly man arms, but I guess it's okay to have man arms. I told you I just gain muscle easily, and it just be like this. But the objective that I'm trying to do or trying to gain here is the booty cheese. The booty cheese. Now the onions has been sauteed. Pour in the green onions and let that saute with the big yellow or white onions, whatever you choose to prefer. And this is the second batch of the salmon that's searing. And you want to add some garlic to the onions and green onions, and you're gonna stir and mix, stir mix. Whip it in the kitchen like a stir fry. You're whipping in the kitchen like a stir fry. What? That's the Migos. Again, now we're gonna be using the same pot. We removed the sauteed onions, so this is gonna be the dried up cold noodles in the pot. You're gonna put it in there. And again, another batch of salmon. And then you're gonna pour the sauteed vegetables that you just removed from the pot in the pot. This is lo mein. And you're gonna add some chicken. Just like that, the sweet teriyaki chicken. And then you're gonna pour some of our secret sauce. I ain't gonna tell you, but this is the secret sauce. Okay, it's soy sauce, but it got some other extra ingredients. And now you're gonna whip it, stir it like so. Whip it, stir it like so. Whip it, stir it like so. Whip it and stir it. Like that. Yum. So now you're gonna repeat this process by adding more plain noodles on top, and then you add the sauteed onions, and then you add chicken and some of the sauce. So you know that everything is saturated, because you don't want to put all of the noodles and then you keep mixing and stirring. Process is going to just repeat, like I said, regular noodles in the pot, onions, and you pour in the chicken. It's the chicken in the pot sauteing. Again, salmon. The cut steak, it has been pan seared. Garlic butter was added. Okay, so what you do is literally you sear the steak just like how you seared the salmon, and then you cut it and you cook it. You don't eat blood. You ain't no medium rare, no rare. This is fully cooked steak. You ain't see no blood. Okay, so this is the finished product. You got here the noodles, the lo mein noodles. That's what it look like. That's what it looks like. Okay, and then we have here the steak, the sweet potato, the Korean yams, and the salmon. This is what the finished product look like, and I'm gonna show you guys my plate that I'm going to be eating. This is the sweet teriyaki lo mein noodles with this. Yeah, this is my plate. This is what I have is lettuce. I'll be eating those onions, green onions, white onions, sauteed and unsauteed green onions. I have the Korean yams and sweet potato, some steak. This is literally salmon skin, seared or air fried, whatever. It's fried salmon skin. This is all salmon skin that I'm going to eat. And we have some salmon over here. So that's what I'm eating today.